One last revision before the final test. There are many different ways to build an email list. We have talked about the importance of having a list, the benefits of building one, and even the ways in which you can attract people to subscribe. We have also gone over the many tools that are at your service to help you do exactly that. But, like they say for relationships, the challenge is not in getting into one, but sustaining what you have. That is the final chapter in this journey from the alpha to the omega of the topic. Let's go over some key strategies to help you hold fort. You need to create content that keeps your audience engaged. A little mystery and a little history are at the heart of every relationship. You need to understand how to write good copy in terms of advertising or selling what you have to offer. You can get a professional to do it. Make sure your email list is segmented such that your audience gets exactly what they are looking for. These estimates can be made once you have a sizable subscriber base, and the divisions can be made on a socioeconomic basis, so that you are able to offer valuable content to all of them. A great way to start talking your product up is to create blog content. Whether you are selling a product or a service, there is only so much you can do through emails. If your audience likes what they see or read, they will want to find a place where they can learn more about you and see what you are charging for your services. Make sure that the service or product that you are giving away in the beginning as a lead magnet keeps getting better with time. Better also means that you need to monitor what your competitors are doing and be able to either offer more value or cheaper prices. Over time, make sure that some of the stuff you are offering is accessed only after your visitor gives you their contact information. But make sure not to put too many rows in the form, because that drives a lot of people away. Make sure you advertise these features in your email blast and tempt the subscribers in. But this must be of value so that they don't feel cheated. Truth is everything.